So this is US oil analysis for Friday the 18th of May. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 70.79, held it as support, from which we did see a move here to the upside. It came pretty close towards this 71 90s, from which we have seen this sell side momentum come back into the market, bringing us down towards that 70.50. So we've had a move, broke above the previous highs, had the move go up towards the 72.25 or so, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come into the market, retested those highs in around the 70, well, we went as high as 72.28, retested the as high as the 72.25, from which we did see a sell side momentum come into the market, bringing us down towards the, let's just see where our lows are here, bringing us down towards the 71.08. Now from the 71.08, we have seen a bullish buy side momentum return to the market. So we have had a series of higher lows, as we can see. I'm just going to highlight them now. We've had a series of higher lows. We've had prices, even despite this deep retracement, formed another higher low relative to the previous low. And again, we are seeing this momentum continue here to the upside. Now, of concern are the size of these candles. They are pretty small in terms of open to close, and in the context of seeing this sell side momentum. Also, due to we are looking at it being the end of the week. It is Friday, so we could see some profit taking. So we might see a bit more sell side momentum here, despite the trend being clearly to the upside here on the US oil. So we might see the old lows tested in around the 71.08, or possibly down towards that 71 level, where we do have daily confluence of the 200 period moving average. Might see prices test that level before seeing a bullish bounce. Possibly from there, we're looking for prices to head back up towards that 72, possibly up towards that 72.39 if we're able to successfully navigate the 72.25 here on the US oil. Beyond 72.39, the very next level that we are looking at is a move up towards that 73.16. But we'll look at see how prices behaving around a $0.50 mark, around that 72.50. But if we do break our previous highs, we're looking for moves up towards that 72.39, possibly up towards that 73.16, if there is sufficient volatility to allow. And to the downside, if we were to break down beyond the 71 with the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, the round number with the 200 period moving average, we're looking for a move down towards that 70.79, successful break from which we're looking for a move that was at 70.50. In around at 70.50, we found bullish buy side momentum previously before extending our run here to the upside. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. And over here on the daily chart, to get the scale on here correct, we can see here on this daily chart, we've had a series of higher lows, pullback, consolidation, breakout, another pullback, break. We broke out for a little bit here, but we weren't able to hold the levels here. What we did see, we did put a bit of a doji, which is a bit of an indecision candle. We've had a wick to the upside and a wick to the downside. So after having this very strong run here to the upside, we are seeing a bit of markets are maturing a little bit here. So we might see a bit of some range bound price action, or we might see a bit of a pullback before continuing our run here to the upside. So we've got a pretty strong run, so we might see a bit of a pullback or a bit of consolidation before seeing the continuation to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.